Hello, I'm Angie Gutierrez, Family Community Health Agent with Texas A&M AgriLife. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your own bleach solution. A lot of you might be going to the store and trying to get some sanitizer or some wipes and they're out, so we're going to make our own. Here are the things that you're going to need. First item you're going to need is some Clorox bleach or any kind of bleach. You want 32 ounces of water, which equals to a quart. You need 1 pitcher. You also need a liquid measurement cup, a measuring spoon, a teaspoon. You want a mixing spoon, and you also want a spray bottle. Maybe you have one at home that you can use and recycle. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my gloves on. You don't have to, but I do recommend, especially if you're sensitive to the bleach, especially if you have any kind of sores or cuts that are open, you don't want to have protection. All right. So step 1, what we're going to do is actually measure out our bleach. You're going to do 4 teaspoons. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to add our 32-ounce water. Like I said, it equals to a quart, and pour it into your pitcher. Now, all we're going to do is mix it, and you can mix it up for a minute or so, and you're ready. So now I'm going to pour it into my liquid measuring cup to make it a little easier, and I'm going to pour it into our spray bottle. Now you can fill it up all the way or half, or if you have more than 1 spray bottle, you can distribute the solution. And we're ready to go. And what I want to talk to you about is some of the things that you should actually sanitize at home, especially if you have your family at home and the kids. One of the things you want to sanitize is your remote controls, your doorknobs, the light switch, even some of the game controllers that the kids are playing with. You can also clean your mouse, your computer, your tablet. You can also make sure to wash your linens, clean your carpets, your stuffed animals, and especially even have the kids maybe help you sanitize your toys. If you need more information, please visit the website www.cdc.gov. Thank you.